Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of wireless Go number 2 Rode microphone. Why did I buy it? Good question. Actually not, because if you watch my videos, my microphone sound sucks because I don't usually use microphone. I usually record directly on the GoPro or the other microphone which is not as good, and I think you guys deserve better quality. That's why I got this one, and hopefully it will work. So let's open it and see what's included. This one is single set. If you watch my previous video about GoPro mod I just got, and I'm gonna do unboxing with GoPro, and you can use actually with a phone as well, I believe. So we'll see. So here's inside. You get some very tasty stuff, and it says here do not eat. Okay, so don't eat it. Okay. All right, let's see what is inside. Small pouch. It's actually a small bag like this to carry. Very basic and simple. Empty box. And wow, look at this. It's a 2-wind protector, I guess. It's called, let me see what's the name for them, windshields. So basically they help you to reduce the wind sounds, which is good for me probably. If I'm gonna probably use them the most, because I'm gonna do mostly action recording on the bike. And then you got 2 microphones. They're very tiny, and I'll show you the size actually, so you know exactly what you're getting. So one of them is receiver and one of them transmitter. So basically you attach one to GoPro or to the phone, and it will transmit from your microphone. And you don't have to do that as well, because it does have built-in microphone. So I want to show you the difference, the quarter size, and here's the microphone size. So it's about size of 2.5 quarters, I guess. So it's pretty tiny and pretty light, I guess. And you're gonna find here's where you attach your microphone, I guess. And let's see, you can charge it with the sport. Let me actually open another box, because it does have other cables. And let's see what is here. Oh, okay, more stuff. Also the guide how to use this, and I never used them before, so I'm kind of new. That's why I'm just doing the unboxing, so you can see what's included. And later on, if you subscribe to my channel, I am gonna do kind of review, and every single video you're gonna see, most likely I'm gonna use them if I like it. So please subscribe so you can see result of this quality. So you got C-class cable USB, and then like this, I forgot the name, but again it should be simple to attach like this. Yep. And here it calls use. Hello, very nice furry friend. And you cannot attach here. This one gonna be attaching the cable like this, I guess. Let me open. Actually, I'll just attach like this. And if you turn it on, I guess I have to charge them. But I was trying to use them with GoPro, so I need to figure out how it will actually work. If I can slide it on the side, maybe. like this. I'm not sure yet. Actually, I think you can. Yeah, you can slide it like this, or probably opposite way. Probably not. But either way, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna figure out and you're gonna see it all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.